Ma'am, sa part naman po natin diyan sa Population and Nutrition Office, meron po ba tayong information campaign? Pupunta po ba tayo sa mga barangay, eskwelahan para po mas ma-educate natin lalong-lalo na po yung mga magulang ng mga batang ito?
Okay, so mabanggit ko lang sir, no, kasi in 2021 we also have an engagement with the Zwillig Family Foundation, bringing the Challenge Initiative to Naga City. Ito yung gusto nating establish ang Naga City as one of yung adolescent and youth-friendly cities here in the Philippines towards reduction of teen pregnancy. So marami silang mga high-impact interventions na talaga in-adapt din natin. And one of which, yung masabi mo kanina, like yung community group engagement or yung tinatawag natin na social behavioral change and communication interventions, like yung madami tayong ginagawa like yung mga U4U, Hearts and Minds,
Ma'am.
mga ganun. Parenting talk, yung parenting talk naman, we are involving
Of
the
course.
parents, no? But just to bridge the gap between the parents and their adolescents para naman mapag-usapan nila, no, kung paano ba yung style para pag-usapan nila ito openly with their children. And madami, katropang bagito,
Yes, ma'am,
usapang
maganda
batang
yan.
ina, batang ama. So we also have the establishment of mga teen centers here in Naga City para mapuntahan yung mga bata para if they want to ask questions or sensitive
Oo, ma'am.
questions, silang pumunta doon.
Yun nga, ma'am. Oo.
Health services din kasi ang mga kabataan, yung mga adolescents, they have very very low health seeking behavior. So punta yan kung talagang hindi na nila kaya. Pero ayun, we have to improve yung health seeking behaviors ng ating mga kabataan.